Hi guys, welcome to the healthcare channel. Today's video we'll talk about how to have whiter teeth. Most people don't know much about how to make their teeth whiter. Being well informed is crucial to achieving the white smile that you can be proud of. If you educate yourself and make use of your newfound knowledge, it will not be long before you see results. Look at the advice below for some effective tips to start working on those whiter teeth. If you want your teeth whitening done fast, go to a professional teeth whitening service. A whiter smile can be achieved by simply taking a few additional visits to your preferred dentist. The methods that a dentist uses are different than what you can buy in stores. These methods are quicker and more effective. Try to avoid water with fluoride added in or toothpaste that incorporates fluoride. Recent reports have shown that fluoride can stain and discolor teeth. If you only have access to water in your home with fluoride added to it, either look for a filter or consider drinking your water from bottles as long as it is without fluoride as well. Heavy smoking can, in fact, damage and stain your teeth. It helps to cut down on the number of cigarettes you smoke each day or eliminate them out of your life completely. People who smoke have a harder time keeping their teeth clean than those who don't. Use mouthwash sparingly as it can add to the discoloration of the teeth. Many types of mouthwash contain alcohol or other stain-causing chemicals. These can also be absorbed into the soft tissues in the mouth under the tongue and into your system. If you can avoid them altogether, this is the better option. Avoid constant snacking throughout the day. If you need to have a snack, grab some fresh fruits or vegetables. They are very good for you and are going to cause far less damage to your teeth than many other kinds of junk food would. It would help if you still took the time to rinse well with water when you are done. Baking soda can be used to brush your teeth. Baking soda is an effective natural tooth whitener. Baking soda can make your gums feel irritated, so be sure to brush your teeth gently with it. Once you go through the teeth whitening treatment, you are going to want to avoid drinking things or eating foods that are known to stain teeth. Newly whitened teeth are prone to absorbing the staining agents that are in these things, and you may find yourself worse off than before you treated your teeth. To get better looking teeth through your diet, eat more raw foods. Chewing raw foods can be great for your teeth, and avoiding processed foods means you'll develop less plaque. While raw foods aren't a good way to get quick teeth whitening results, eating them regularly will make your teeth sparkle over time. Make appointments regularly with a dentist to routinely have your teeth cleaned. A good cleaning at the dentist's office removes built-up plaque and tartar, which stains the teeth and turns them yellow. It will keep your teeth look whiter and result in fewer cavities and diseases. Halt whitening procedures if you get an indication that your teeth have heightened sensitivity. You will not be able to judge whether or not the product is damaging your teeth, so you should ask your dentist. Ask your dentist about your options. The easiest path to a brighter smile and whiter teeth is to use a whitening toothpaste twice a day. This toothpaste works great at getting rid of stains on your teeth. Over time, stains will be lightened or eliminated. Fruits and veggies with a fibrous consistency can be used to clean your teeth naturally. Veggies like carrots and cucumbers should do the trick to help bring back your pearly whites. You should eat them when they are raw, and make sure you chew them all the way. This will give them a chance to take effect on your teeth. Make an effort to get the food working around in your mouth for the best results. Avoid teeth whitening if you are pregnant or nursing. The chemicals used for the whitening process may be safe to put in your mouth, but they could be potentially harmful to your little one. Consult with your physician and your dentist before you attempt any process during your pregnancy and nursing periods. When going with home whitening kits, make sure that they have the proper peroxide concentration to remove stains on your teeth. Generally, you want to look for concentrations of at least 10% peroxide. Any higher can be destructive to your enamel, and any lower may not be strong enough to make a difference. Eat natural, brushing, food. The most common natural toothbrush that you can eat is an apple. The texture helps to eliminate stains on your teeth. Other foods that can help scrub your teeth are veggies like celery and raw carrots and snacks like popcorn. Eat them at the end of your meal if you cannot brush at that time. If you do want to make your teeth look whiter by using lip makeup, opt for brighter reds and oranges for your color choices. Colors like light red and coral can really make your teeth appear whiter, while using very light colors can make any yellow in your teeth stand out. If you have or are planning on getting Invisalign to enhance your smile, I recommend that you wait until after your treatment to start whitening your teeth. If you do this, you can save hundreds of dollars on the whitening process by using your Invisalign aligners as trays for your whitening gel. Now that you have some new strategies for how you're going to whiten your teeth, you should already start feeling positive. Remember that all that you learned here isn't everything there is to know how to whiten your teeth, so try your best always to seek new knowledge and apply it. One of the many benefits of having whiter teeth is that you will have more confidence. You can wear your teeth as you please, and with whiter teeth, you can show off your great smile. Teeth whitening has become very popular, and a lot of people are going for it nowadays. When you have whiter teeth, you also tend to look younger and have more self-confidence. You can try at home many treatments to whiten your teeth, but to have whiter teeth, you need to be patient and not expect overnight results. The first thing you need to do is consult with your dentist and find out if whitening will be a good option for you. You need to decide what kind of effects you want to achieve by whitening your teeth. You need to find out if you can whiten your teeth using the available products or if you need to go for an oral surgeon who will perform the whitening procedure. Once you have decided on the kind of treatment you want, it is time for you to decide on the type of whitening toothpaste you need. There are many kinds of toothpaste available for whitening teeth. You need to choose one that will work well for you and not damage your teeth. The one that is best for you will depend on the color of your teeth and the type of stains on your teeth. It will also depend on your budget and the condition of your teeth. When you have found the right product for you, you need to start applying it to your teeth regularly. If you have an oral surgeon who performs teeth whitening procedures, then you will have to follow his instructions religiously. This means that you need to make sure that you use the right toothpaste. A good quality toothpaste is one that contains fluoride. Fluoride helps your teeth to be more resistant to the stains. It also helps to maintain healthy gums and helps your mouth stay healthy and clean. This will benefit not only your teeth but also your whole body. After you have made sure that you have the right toothpaste for you and after your dentist has performed the whitening procedure, then you need to brush your teeth twice a day. You will have to brush your teeth twice a day if you choose the oral surgeon's whitening method and have to have a brush twice a day if you choose the dentist's method of oral surgery. You also need to brush your teeth twice a day with the oral surgeon's method, but you will have to brush twice a day with the oral surgeon's method. The dental clinic may also offer toothpaste, which can be used for this. You can choose to use the dental floss, which is basically soft bristled toothpaste, which is not hard on your teeth and your gums. You can also whiten your teeth by using a mouthwash. You will need to visit your dentist to get a mouthwash that you can use at home, which will cost you around $20 a month. It would help if you brushed your teeth twice a day using this. You need to choose one which is good for whitening purposes. You can also get whitening strips to whiten teeth at home. The strips can be bought from your dentist's office, and they are not too expensive. You will have to visit the dentist in order to get these, but you can use them at home. You can also get whitening gels at home that can be used to whiten your teeth. And also to make them brighter. You will have to visit the dentist in order to get these because you will not find these in your local store. The costs for the gels will vary with the different gels that you buy. Other home products can be used, as well. These can all be bought from your dentist. You can see what they have to offer and then decide what products you like. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recommendations on health, relationship, lifestyle, and other helpful information to form life easier.